Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are super excited to announce this morning our trunk show that we have coming up this Friday. It is with Fran Gulick from Cotton & Joy. She's going to be here with her newest fabric collection, which we have on the counter here, and all of her patterns. So again, that's this Friday, January 24th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. She'll be here. We'll have her set up in our classrooms with all of her gorgeous new fabrics here. This is the Between the Pages collection that she designed. All sort of this cute little book theme with her classic florals and some great little blenders throughout. We are going to have some special projects as well, so some kits available. We've got this cute little reading pillow that takes some fat quarters, and we've got the pattern for that one. We have the cute little All the Things tote that we'll have available. And of course, we love these Hemingways. This pattern is wonderful, so we'll have a kit available just like these. The kit will make both sizes, the extra large and the medium. And we used that adorable little book print from the collection. So definitely join us on Friday. We are super excited to have Fran out here. You can come ask her all of your burning questions about how she designs fabric and patterns, and anything else you might like to know. We'll also have this line out then, so we gave you a little sneak peek today. And in honor of Fran, our notion of the week, which will actually be patterns of the week this week, are all of hers. So all Cotton & Joy patterns will be 20% off for the next week. So if you've had your eye on any of them and you want to come snag a few, definitely stop by. It is a great time to do so. So super excited about all of that. Definitely mark your calendars and come visit us on Friday. Okay, and getting into even more fabric, we have this beautiful line from Tex called Enchanted Floral. All of these gorgeous aqua and jade colors. And then mixed in, you'll see some of them are more blenders. Those are actually some shadow blushes that were designed also by Tex to kind of mix with this collection. So lots of beautiful florals, kind of has a little bit of that watercolor look, which is perfect with the shadow blush because it has a little bit of depth in that sort of brushed look. So beautiful, love those colors. Wonderful transition from winter into spring, I think. And then we have our adorable little Valentines Corner over here with some really fun projects. And we just wanted to highlight one of our own. We have Grace from Chunky Bird Studios. As you know, she works here at the store. Everyone knows and loves Grace. And she has this very cute little love letter mini quilt that is paper pieced, has a little fold so you can put all of your Valentines in there. So definitely stop by and pick one of those up if you want a fun, cute little Valentine's project. And of course, last week you saw the adorable Infinite Hearts quilt that we have some bundles for. Okay, and moving on over here, we're going to stop at the little round table that we have here. This line here is called Let's Glow Crazy. A little pun there because all of the white that you see on the black background is all glow in the dark, which is super cute and fun. We have a variety of prints here, so you could go more juvenile and do some fun little glow stars. You got some cute little fireflies here, or you could do something a little more modern with the cityscapes. And we do have some fat quarter bundles here to go with it and a cute little pattern that we thought you could utilize for this really fun line. Okay, and moving on over here, we're gonna pop over here into the kids section where we're gonna show off a very cute new line from Robert Kaufman. Now, right up here, we have this adorable line. This one is called Campground Critters. Very fun, bright colors. We love these little cartoony characters on all of them. Classic little bears, cute little hats. So it's definitely more bright and cheerful. So if you're looking for something kind of for a little one that maybe loves the outdoors, these cute little s'mores, this is a fantastic collection. Very fun. Okay, and then actually just right around the corner, we have a smaller collection from Blank Quilting Studios. And we've got Studio E in there as well. It's just a fun little cat collection. Kind of a little more quirky and cute. And there are a couple panels that come with the collection. So this one right here is actually a bag panel. So you can make a couple adorable little tote bags with some of those main prints. Very cute. And then of course we have the block panel as well. And this one has all of those cute little cats kind of in different little expressions and themes. They all seem to be very excited about their food. Very cute. So this one is called Instagram Famous, and it is from Studio E. Okay, and then again, just right over here, we have this collection, which is from Wilmington Prince. This one is called Gone Fishing. Very cute little lake theme. Be perfect for a little cabin on the lake. Have lots of cute little prints here. Tossed fish. There's an awesome border print. And some wonderful blenders in there as well. And we do have this panel that goes along with it. It's another little block panel. So each one has some little cute sayings on it. Block style, so you can cut them out and use each block in your projects. Maybe you could do some little placemats, or you could expand it and use them as blocks in a quilt. But very cute, very lovely color palette. Feels very natural. And of course we have our fat quarters and pre-cuts to go along with it. Okay, and scooching on along here, we're going to look at another line on the end cap right here. This one is also very fun and springy. This one is called Bees and Blooms and is also from Wilmington Prince. There are lots of gorgeous florals and some lovely text, kind of some tossed prints mixed in there, and some lovely blenders. And we do have a border print in this one as well. And fun fact, we do have a kit coming for this one, so keep your eye out. We'll definitely show it off once it's finished, and we will have some kits available, so that's super exciting. Okay, and moving up to the counter here, we have our kit of the week. And again, it is to honor Fran and her trunk show this Friday. So it is one of her patterns, Starlight, and the fabric used in here is from her Moonchild collection, which was one that we had previously. So very cute quilt. We love the color scheme here. You've got the blues and the pinks with the pop of gold in there. So this is our kit of the week. It will be 20% off for the next week. And we do have the pattern for it as well, which, as I said earlier, our notion or pattern of the week is actually going to be all of Cotton and Joy's patterns. So the pattern will be on sale as well. Okay, well, that is it for today. Thank you everyone so much for joining us. Like I said, definitely mark your calendars for Fran's event this Friday. I know she would love to have you come out and join us. It's going to be a really fun time, so definitely stop by. We will be on Whatnot later today with all of the new fabrics that we showed off. So definitely download the app if you haven't. You can follow us on there at the Quilting Bee. We're super easy to find. You can follow us and bookmark all of the upcoming shows that we have. So definitely join us there as well. And thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next week for another What's Buzzing at the Bee.